Hey guys, Animist Travels and Travels with Animist here. Like, follow, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments. So, breaking news, just now there was an earthquake in Alaska, 29 miles of Tanana, near Fair, the city of Fairbank. Only felt by sensitive people, but because of Alaska's terrain, I'm not completely sure if there was any actual damage or not. Hopefully, it wasn't that bad, and not many people got hurt. So, I hope things are going well for the people there. Well, that should be it for now. If there's any more news, I'll let you know. Till then, everyone, stay tuned.